ever wondered what Polkadot is and how it works? Well, let me tell you. Polkadot is a revolutionary multi-chain platform that's designed to link multiple blockchains into a single unified network. It's the brainchild of Ethereum co-founder Gavin Wood, and it's on a mission to address the issues of scalability, interoperability, and security that are present in our blockchain universe. Intrigued? Let's dive deeper into how Polkadot achieves this. To comprehend Polkadot, you must understand its unique architecture. Polkadot's architecture is composed of four main components. At the heart of the system is the relay chain, the main blockchain that coordinates the network's overall security, consensus, and cross-chain interoperability. Next, we have the parachains, individual blockchains that run parallel to the relay chain. Each parachain is unique with its own functionality and characteristics, yet all connect and communicate with the relay chain. Thirdly, we have parathreads, which are essentially flexible versions of parachains. They share the same functionality, but operate on a pay-as-you-go model, making them a more economical choice for projects that don't require continuous connectivity to the relay chain. Lastly, we have the bridges. These serve as the connectors between Polkadot and external blockchains, allowing Polkadot to communicate with different networks. These components work in harmony, facilitating seamless and secure cross-chain communication. Polkadot's architecture is truly a testament to the power of innovative blockchain technology. Now that you understand the architecture, let's explore the role of Polkadot's native token. Polkadot's native token, DOT, plays a vital role in maintaining and operating the network. It's the lifeblood that keeps the ecosystem thriving, functioning in three main capacities: governance, staking, and bonding. Firstly, DOT is used for governance. DOT holders are the decision makers of the Polkadot network. They hold the power to guide the system's evolution, proposing or voting on network upgrades and changes. Next, staking. This is crucial for securing the network. DOT holders can stake their tokens to validate transactions and produce new blocks. By doing so, they help maintain the network's integrity and receive rewards in return. Lastly, we have bonding. This involves DOT tokens being locked up to add new parachains or independent blockchains to the Polkadot network. This process ensures that these parachains are reliable and beneficial to the overall ecosystem. As you can see, Polkadot and its DOT token are reshaping the future of blockchain technology. So what's the takeaway from all this? As we've seen, Polkadot is tackling the big three: scalability, interoperability, and security issues in the blockchain world. Its unique multi-chain architecture enables various blockchains to work together seamlessly, creating an interconnected ecosystem. The DOT token plays a vital role, powering the network and facilitating these interactions. With its innovative approach, Polkadot is indeed a game changer in the blockchain space.